Hello and welcome back again. Today we practice the 20 question of photosynthesis in higher plants. This is a poll by Akash of botany. तो शुरू करते हैं. तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये, which of the following scientists use the radioactive of C14 in a algal photosynthesis to discover the first CO2 fixation product of 3 carbon organic compound? तो ये थे मेल्विन कैल्विन. And second is match of the following. So first is phosphoglycolate. तो phosphoglycolate, and it is a formed when the most abundant enzyme of the world. That means first is match with second. एंड दूसरा का बात करें तो 3 फॉस्फोग्लाइसरेट यानी कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मोस्ट क्रूशियल स्टेप, दैट aspartic acid that is used या undergo carboxylation bundle sheath of a cell. Or UVP regenerates in the mesophyll of the C3 plants using ATP. Then second answer is fourth. And third question, all of the following product of the photochemical reaction occurring in a chloroplast except that is CO2. Assertion and reason. First assertion is, for photosynthesis, light is a rarely a limiting factor in a nature except plant in a shaded or dense forest. A statement is true. And reason, light saturation occurs 10% of a full sunlight. Reason is also true. So first option, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Fifth, which of the following considered as the chief pigment associated with photosynthesis? That is chlorophyll A. And this is a diagram. This diagram of PS2 and B. Select the PS1, and based on the above diagram, select the option of correctly dispute about the level. And the correct answer is the electron required of a reduction of NADP plus and transfer through a ferrodoxine FED. Question number 7. Select the correct statement with respect to carotenoids. They act as accessory pigment. 8. Most crucial step of a Calvin cycle, that is where CO2 utilized for the carboxylation of the 5 carbon ketose sugars. Question number 9. Inside the chloroplast, non-cyclic photophosphorylation occur in, that is grana. Tomato and maize can be differentiated from each other. For tomato, the current ability of CO2 labels the limiting, and in later Rubisco shows the only carboxylase activity. So hence option is A and D are the only correct option. And question number 11. How many ATP and NADP is required for the fixation of 1 molecule of glucose via Calvin cycle? That is 1, 2, 3 CO2, NADPH2 and ATP. So 6 into 3, that is 18 ATP, and second option. So Gaussian show with 3 type arrangement of a cell in leaves. Which of the following is not associated with a bundle system found in C4 plant, that is thin walls of an impervious gaseous change. And question number 40, read the following statement and hex and select pathway, that is फोर्थ ऑप्शन. जैसे कि फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है कार्बोलाइजेशन ऑफ अ रिएक्शन कैटलाइज बाई पीईपी कार्बोक्सिलेज, बी इज कन्वर्जन ऑफ अ फर्स्ट स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट इनटू मैलिक एसिड, दैट इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन. 15, select the odd one with respect to plant factor affecting the photosynthesis, that is temperature. During the light reaction, ATP synthesized in a chloroplast directed outcomes, that is breakdown of a protons gradient causing a conformational change in CF particles. Question number 70. Cyclic phosphorylation does not require the external electron donor for its continuity occurs. In a photosystem, all the pigment except one molecules chlorophyll A form antenna. Question number 90. Read the estimated and select the correct option. CFO embedded in the thylakoid membrane and the form of the transfer membrane channel that we across the membrane. Statement B is Rubisco has the much greater affinity of CO2 and CO2O2 are nearly equal to. Only A statement is true and B is false. Question number 20. Select the incorrect match with the scientist having used the experimental material. T.W. Engelman, ये पोरफायरा नहीं क्लोरो, ये अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट में पोरफायरा यूज नहीं किए थे.